I want to teach my handsome boys how to speak Tagalog. So, oh, it's Hasley is here. So, we're gonna start from saying good morning, means magandang umaga. Oliver said,
Magandang umaga.
Henry, magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Very good. Oh, here's Hasley. Okay, next is magandang hapon, means good afternoon.
Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon.
Good boys. Okay, next is I love you. Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Henry?
Mahal kita.
Okay, next is saan ka pupunta, means where are you going?
Sa kantar hungkangka.
Saan ka pupunta? Henry, go.
Wait, what?
Saan ka pupunta?
Saan ka pupunta?
Okay, now we're gonna learn again what we have said. I'll say it in English and you say it in Tagalog, okay?
Okay. Oh.
Good morning.
Wait. Habala.
Magandang
Magandang pwedeng
umaga.
Yeah.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Malanggar. Maganda pwede Tokarama. Yeah, Malanggar. Tokarama.
Magandang hapon.
Hapon.
Say again completely.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
I love you. Ma.
Magandang
Mahal kita.
mahal kita.
Okay.